let's kick things off. Welcome to this introductory course to ISO 27001, the 2022 edition. Now, if you're an IT admin, whether you're knee-deep in security tasks already or just starting to explore ISO 27001, or you're being voluntold to figure out what this whole compliance thing is, you're in the right place. This course is designed with you in mind, not the compliance officer down the hall, not the auditor with the clipboard, you. The one that keeps things patched, logged, and running at 3 AM when something breaks. We're not just going to talk about ISO 27001 from a policy or high-level perspective. We're going to unpack what it actually means on the ground, in real day-to-day IT operations. Because let's face it, frameworks and standards are only as good as how well they're applied in real environments. So what are we going to cover? You're going to come away with a solid understanding of what ISO 27000 is, why it exists, and most importantly, why it matters to IT administrators. How to take those principles and apply them in your daily work. Things like managing access control, tracking incidents, running patch cycles, and preparing for audits without losing your mind. The practical knowledge to help your business build trust, protect information, and tick off those compliance checkboxes without making a security bottleneck. This isn't just theory. We're going to bring some real-world examples, hands-on exercises, and case studies based on what actually happens in IT environments. So who's this course for? This course is primarily built for IT admins and system engineers who are responsible or will soon be responsible for the security controls within their environment. Folks preparing for ISO 27001 audit and want to know what auditors are really looking for. And anyone working in security, compliance, or risk who wants a better understanding of how the IT side of ISO 27001 plays out in the real world. If you're the person who is expected to make sure we're secure and compliant, even when it wasn't exactly in your job description, this course is definitely for you. How to get the most out of this course? Here's how we make sure the course really works for you. First, follow along with the case studies. Each module ties a real-world scenario, so you're not just hearing concepts, you're seeing how they apply. Second, do the exercises. They're quick, relevant, and give you a chance to test what you've learned in a way that actually sticks. And lastly, make use of the templates and checklists we've included. These are the same types of resources that pros use to streamline their ISO 27001 tasks. They'll save you time and headaches when it comes to implementation. If you're engaged with the material, I promise you'll come away with not just head knowledge, but real applicable skills to use in your current role. So what's next? The next module, we're going to break down what ISO 27001 actually is, how it fits with other security standards like NIST or CIS controls, why businesses adopt it, and where IT admins fit into the picture. We'll start by connecting the dots between daily IT operations, things like patching, account management, and logging, and the ISO 27001 framework of policies and controls. Are you ready? Let's dive in.